So it's 10:02, I am going to start and everyone can catch up. So welcome everybody to my first half hour how-tos with Sadie. Um, I've had this idea for a while to teach when it wasn't COVID, a on-hands class of just tech. Basic tech classes where if you were stuck on something, I could help you out, but also have topics each. We're going to do this every other Friday of little tech things that I hear on the office that people need help with. So I'm going to start off with Linktree today and how to set it up. We're actually going to step by step create an account. So you're welcome to follow along with me, or you can take notes and do this yourself. Obviously, I'm always available Monday through Friday. If you have any questions, if you want to come into the office, I can help you as well. But we're going to treat this as a workshop. We're just going to imagine that we're all here together. I need to move away. There you go. Okay, so classroom reminders, please don't be afraid to ask questions. If I miss something, or if I'm going too fast, or if you're unclear about something, please take yourself on mute. I would love to treat this as an interactive classroom where we can all learn together. Okay, so what is Linktree? Linktree is just what it's called. It's a link, and it's the only link that you need to help connect your audience with just one link. So instead of, and this always comes to my mind, so instead of on your email signature, click here for Facebook, click here for Instagram, click here for my website, click here for this, click here for that. We're just going to have one link. And that's a link that goes to your Instagram. That's a link that goes to your Facebook. It's just one link so that you can, so instead of sending everything in a long list, it's just one nice link. And this isn't just for social media. So it's anything with a URL address with a www. blah, blah, blah. So I run the Renton office social media accounts. So I have my Linktree go to this month's Seattle Times article. It's donations that we're doing this month. It's our website. It's a lot of things, and I'll show you what it looks like. But this is just one easy link that connects everything together as a whole. So this is what ours looks like at the Renton office. So I've got a Seattle Times article. I've got Learn About the Office, which directs you to our website. I've got Meet Our Management Team. So it goes to our bios. It talks about Shai, it talks about Katie, it talks about Colin. I've got a link that goes to what it means to be a real estate agent and get your career started. I've got a link that goes to those market updates that you get from John L. Scott. I've got a link to our training calendar. I've got a link to YouTube, Facebook, Instagram. If you want a flyer, I've got the Rent Marketing Program. And then open houses are back this week, so let's submit an open house ad. And then obviously the most important part would be like leave us a review. So it's just one nice link that directs you to this page on the left, and then you can click through everything and see everything that I want my viewers to see. So today I'm going to help you create a link tree. We're going to add a logo. We're going to insert links and websites that you want your viewers to click on, and then we're going to name your link tree. So my link tree, like you just saw, is Linktree/JLS Renton. So let's get started. And we're going to play around on the internet. So let me know if you can't see my screen anymore. Okay. So when you go to Google, we're going to type in Linktree. And this is the page to start make an account. So it talks about Linktree. It says, you know, connect your audience, just like I was talking about with one link. It's completely free. You can pay for a pro version, which makes you customize, you know, different backgrounds and you can add more stuff. But I've never needed to get to that point. I like the free version. So it talks about it, use it anywhere, it's online, blah, blah, blah. A bunch of people in the community use it, but we're gonna sign up. So it's very easy. We're going to type in our email, create a username. So this is what you would add to your link. So I'm gonna pretend I'm a broker. So I'm gonna go my realtor C. And then I'm going to create a password. And then I'm going to click register. And then it's going to ask you what you're managing. So I'm going to say real estate. Actually, I don't think real estate pops up. So I'm going to say business and professional. And then my name. And then it's going to ask you if you want the pro version. I'm going to say no, I just want the free one. So it says, thanks for signing up. So I have to go back to my email and click on my verification link real quick. Sorry, I didn't log into my email before I started this class. So there's my activation link. Perfect. So now I'm ready to create my account. Okay, so this is what it looks like. It's going to show everything on the left side of all of the links that you've got going. And then on the right side, which is kind of cool, it's going to show you what your viewers see. So this is my pretend phone, and right now it's blank, and we're going to go through and create everything and add stuff. So I'm going to start by adding my profile picture. So we're going to go down here to the lower side, lower left corner. I'm going to click my account. Make sure everything's up to date the way you want it. So it says my name, it has my email, it has my tag name. Oh, I guess I was wrong. I'm gonna go back, appearance. Okay, so this is where you design everything and customize your Linktree page to be what you want it. So I'm gonna pick an image. Let me grab it from Facebook. Looks great. I'm gonna upload it. And now it made that change that I just uploaded my headshot into my Linktree phone app. So now it's everything that you're doing is going to appear on the right side on that phone of all the changes you're making. So there's themes. You can click through and pick a design that you want. These are a little too much fun for me, so I like to go down and just pick a color, but it can be whatever you like. And then when you keep going down, it's going to show the pro options. You can add a background, you can customize the buttons, that's how they look, you can do the fonts. I've never needed anything like that. I just like it basic and to the point, but that option's always available for you. And then now we're going to start doing some links. So we're going to go back to the home page, add a new link. I'm going to do my Facebook page first. So I'm going to say, follow me on Facebook. And then you're going to open up a new tab. I already have my Facebook page open. I actually want it to go to my business page. So I'm going to use the Renton office, for example. And you're simply just going to highlight the URL link, copy, and then go back to Linktree and simply click paste. And then you're going to activate it right here by turning it on. And then as you see, now it pops into my phone. So when I click on my phone, it's going to direct me to where I want my viewers to see. So it's kind of like a nice example of what you're adding onto your Linktree, and you can see how it's interacting with your clients. So as I go on and keep adding more links, what's kind of cool is you can turn them on and off. So if maybe you're doing a donation in the fall and you're going to keep doing that donation every single year, maybe you'll just turn it off for the spring year and then turn it back on for when you're back to hosting that donation. Okay, so I'm going to add another link. I'm going to do my Instagram page. Follow me on Instagram. And then I'm going to go to my Instagram page. Again, highlight that URL link. Right click, copy. Go back to Linktree. Paste. And then just turn that puppy on. If you want to change the order, all you have to do is just drag and drop. And then now it switches, as you can tell from my phone on the right side. I'm going to do one more. I'm going to do must read Seattle Times. So I've got my Seattle Times article here. I'm going to click on one. Again, same thing. Highlight that URL link, click copy, add that URL link at the bottom, and it's as easy as that. Any questions before I move on? I'm going to log into my Renton page and show you what it looks like on that end. Okay, so let me log out. Okay, so this is what it looks like on the Renton page. I've got a lot of link trees because we do a lot of different things at the office. We advertise our brokers, we advertise our firm, we're working on recruiting, we're working on social media. So I use this for a lot of different things because it is so much easier just to send one link than multiple different links. And it's clean and it's cut. So I've got my Seattle Times article as it shows on the phone. Right here, we were doing a Adopt a Family Vision House donation in the fall. I kept that there because we're going to do it again in December. We did a GoFundMe account for a family that needed help, I think last winter. I kept that on there just because in case we ever have to do another GoFundMe, I can just keep that link on there and copy and paste whatever I need. I've got my other links. I used to have a luxury recap going on. I have that off right now because I'm waiting for the next one. But what I really wanted to show you guys was up here, you can see your lifetime analytics. So I've had about 1.5 K viewers and about 1,000 clicks. When you pay for the Pro version, you can see how many people are going through and what they're clicking on. But I think that's pretty cool. But that's pretty much it. Up here at the top is your link, so you can copy and paste that. I always have this link in my email signature because everyone clicks on that. Any questions, concerns?
So, so you basically just copy that link and stick it on whatever email or social media or whatever, and then and all the links you want will be on there. Okay.
Let me show you from Facebook or from Instagram's end. And this is going to make more sense when I teach a class about how to utilize Instagram. But whenever I do a post for the Renton office, no matter what that is, let's see if I have one, for example. Oh, here we go. So I posted an article in the Seattle Times that's in my Linktree. So my caption here is great article to read, link in bio, so that when people go to my bio, it's right here. They click on it and it goes to my Linktree.
I gotta take this call. I'm sorry, you guys.
Do you want me to go back? So I have it on my Linktree. I have it on my Linktree. I have it on my Instagram. I have it on my Facebook. I have it on my email signature. It's just an easy, simple tool to utilize. Any questions? Before you all leave, I would love for you to answer a poll for me. I have some ideas that I'd like to teach for my next class. I want your feedback on what you need help with. So next, in 2 Fridays, I'm going to be teaching a class about making an email signature and how to take that Linktree and put it in there. I'm going to do Zoom classes, how to use Zoom, how to share Zoom. I'm going to do how to post something on Instagram, how to do something on Facebook. Do you have any questions about John L. Scott My Desk? Do you have phone tips and tricks? There's a cool thing, you probably know this if you have an iPhone, if you click the space bar, it helps you maneuver long texts. I just got a video editing program that I'm excited to talk about. Microsoft tools. Do you want to learn how to mail merge? Do you want to learn tips and tricks of an Excel spreadsheet? One thing I think I am going to be doing in March is calendar scheduling on Outlook. A lot of people make calendar reminders, but you can invite people to them and they can approve events. But that's pretty much it. I think I have something in chat. Instagram Reels. Yes, I can do that. I just did my first one last week, so that one's a fun one. But that's it. Thank you all for attending. Again, if you guys have any questions, shoot me an email, give me a phone call here at the Renton office, and I hope you guys have a lovely weekend.
Hey, Sadie, it's Nia. I do have a question. I was wondering, do you use the Linktree Pro version for John L. Scott Renton, or are you you're finding all the features in the free version just like sufficient for all your uses?
Yep, I'm finding everything on the free version just fine because they're not limiting you to how many links you can set up in Linktree. So I've never needed to buy the Pro version.
Okay, that's good to know. Thank you.
Of course. Okie dokie. Well, I hope everyone has a great weekend. Feel free to reach out to me if you have any questions, and I hope you have a great day.
Thank
Bye,
you.
everybody.
That was really helpful. Thank you.
You're welcome.